What's going on, X1 and X2 fans? Today we're installing some new rotors for the front of my X1 2023. So we're just going to start off by loosening up the lugs right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and jack it up, and I always put a little jack stand there right next to my jack just in case the hydraulics fail or anything like that. Always safety first. The brake rotors are from brakeperformance.com. They are slotted and dimpled. They come black, so you do have to break them in. It's a zinc alloy, like a zinc protection that they put on it, so you just have to break a few times and that'll take all the black off. But here we go. Enjoy the video. All right, so first step is to get a half right here. To take this out, you've got to basically get yourself a little vice grip to hold on to that so it doesn't spin. It's the nut that's inside in between. Let's see here. And we go ahead and take it off. Oh, lefty loosey, yep. Now you gotta get the bottom one down here. This one for some reason is a little bit smaller. I guess you gotta make it a little tighter. All right, gotta be careful this falls on your face, so get a good grip on it. Right there. Get yourself a little wire hanger. This is just a closed wire hanger. And some pliers to get it all nice and tight. You're gonna put it through the hole right here. Right here. Like so. Right through here. And then I like to tie it to the springs up there, just in case. You don't want this falling on you, causing any havoc. There you go. Now you gotta get the screws that are back here. This one and the one up here. All right, this is kind of covering it. Right in here. So that one and the one down there. Same exact setup. You don't need to change anything, which is nice. This guy over here. Takes a little muscle. Once you get that off, it comes out pretty easy. Just by hand, basically, is what I'm doing right now. Thumb got tired. Come on. Now careful here, you don't want this to fall on you either. So I'm holding it here with one hand. While I take the screw out there. This should just slide right out, like so. Don't make a mess of it, just put it down slowly like that. Boom. So you don't get the brake pads to fall out and then you have to readjust them. Okay, and now the easy part. So now we just need this little guy here. It is an Allen wrench H6. It's gonna go right in here. Oh, other way. And that's it. Easy peasy. And this just pops right out. And we got our brand new Brake Performance rotors, made in California. Just line it up with the hole that has that little Allen wrench right there. It's nice and tight. Oops, that actually wasn't too good. Oh well. That'll be a problem for another day. And now go ahead and pop this sucker back on, like so. That were there before. You can do the first part by hand until it gets hard, and then you can use your ratchet. Nice and tight how it was before. There you go. Nice. Now get your other screws and put your other piece of the caliper back in. I like to use a rubber hammer for this part. Now you get your screws back in. We need the rubber hammer still. Let's see. Lining it up is a little tricky. Not too bad. Just might take me a minute. There we go. Got it. Got one. I gotta get the other. There you go. Nice and tight. And that's it. You got yourself a brand new rotor from brakeperformance.com. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, guys. This was a lot of work, so hope you liked it. Thank you.